We've heard the gospel speaks of, which Bishop Xavier read, Dominic Xavier, about the sheep, the 99 sheep, one sheep is lost and the shepherd goes in search. You and I have heard this very, very often. And you and I have always thought that we are the 99 and somebody else is the 100th. I was reflecting, can we think of ourselves, that 100 sheep who's lost, the 100th sheep who went astray? We are all preparing for Christmas. Prayers are of Christmas, of Advent. 2 weeks will be on the threshold of Christmas, the opening of the Jubilee year. And at Christmas is not just a reminder of a past event. Christmas is really getting Jesus in our hearts again. And I ask myself, I invite you to ask yourself, what is it that keeps me away from receiving Jesus wholly? What is it that keeps me from being a missionary disciple? Pope Francis always speaks of that, a missionary disciple of Jesus. What is it that hinders the full entrance of the gospel of the person of Jesus to my heart? This is the message of the gospel for us, not to think of ourselves as the 99 who are already safe and being sorry for the one but to think of ourselves also who have strayed. These 14 days, these 15 days that are left before Christmas, I invite you, as I invite myself also, to reflect and prepare ourselves for the coming of Jesus, to see what big or small issue, big or small weakness, big or small attitude is it that prevents me from receiving Jesus fully.